Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll create MVC module in Laravel. Okay, so and in easy way, we will create guys today, and we will learn in Laravel today, like how to create a model, how to create a controller, and blade files, and how to connect it, how to edit it, how to delete it, how to store the data in database. Okay, so all things we'll see guys. So we call that as MVC model. Okay, so let's start guys. See, for that what we need to do first, we need to create a files in Laravel. Okay, means from basic we'll start guys, from basic, and everything will cover in that. Okay, so what we'll do, and it will be the long video. Okay guys, keep patience and watch this video full, so you will get all the things, otherwise you will not get guys. So I'm requesting you, please guys, watch this video full, so you will understand how we can create MVC model in Laravel. Okay, so let's start guys. Okay, so for that what we'll go in Google, and here we will type that is Laravel document. You know guys, for these things, for creating Laravel applications and all, what I will do, I'll go in Laravel documentation. Only from there only I'll take some notes or things I can say, and I will develop anything I want to develop. Okay, so see, it is taking time. Fine, so here we'll go in Laravel documentation. First what we need to do, we need to create one file, right? So I'll copy this and go in command prompt. See guys, I'm telling you all the steps. Okay, so guys, please follow this all the steps, and where I want to, it should be in htdocs, right? So I'm taking that htdocs path. You can see guys, it is in XAMPP htdocs. Okay, so I'm taking that path. Okay, sorry, I have to take this also, right? Directly I'm copying there. Okay, see, it is done guys. So here I will copy this, paste it here. We'll give the name like what we can give, MVC model only will give, right? So easy to understand. Okay, so it is creating my MVC model, so it will take time guys. Here you can see guys, the installation is done, means our the Laravel guys is created now. What is taking again? Okay, this is done guys. Next what we need to do, just go in that folder, that is MVC, what is it, MVC model. Okay, go here, and here make PHP artisan. Sorry guys, so it is so, see guys, we got this path, so here we'll take that path. And guys, you can see I have already started the XAMPP. Okay, so it is working local, otherwise it will not work guys. And you can see guys, our Laravel application is working now. So what I will do, usually I do this, that I'm going to do guys now. So what is that, MVC, right? Okay, MVC model. So it will make me easy to do. So I'll take this as index. Okay, and here I'm, because this I'm doing guys, because I want to run from localhost, so I'm doing these all things. So what I will do, I will just close it, and here localhost / MVC model. Okay, see guys, it is working for this also. Okay, this is done. Now we'll go this in MVC model file. This MVC, open with this. So for this guys, we need to create one database, right? So what I will do, I'll go here, type here localhost page from admin. Here we need to create this one database, and that database we need to include there, right? So what I will do, I will create in one database. So name will give MVC model only, will give only MVC will give it. Okay, the name is only MVC. So MVC is created. Just go here in our code, in database, sorry, in .env, because here we need to give name guys, which database you have created, that database name you need to give here. So it will do the connection between this Laravel and database. This is done guys, database is also created. Next what we need to do, we'll create guys model now. Okay, so this right now we're doing MVC model, but for what we'll do here guys, post editing and post storing in database. Okay, so let's start guys to create a model. See guys, so here we need to create a model. So for that, what is the command? So php artisan make colon model, the model. Okay, so I will take as post, the model name is post. Okay, so you can see its model has been created. So we'll check here app model. Okay, the post is created. So in post, what we have to include, that also we need to include. Okay, that we'll see later guys, inclusion and all. First we'll create all the thing. This is done guys. Then most we need to do, next we need to create a controller as well. So we'll create a controller. So php artisan make colon. These are the command guys. If you search in Google also for creating this command, you will get this command easily. Okay, so this is post controller. Fine. Okay guys, the post control is also done. Now we, what we need to do, we need to create one table, right? Because in that table only we are going to store the data. So to create table from Laravel, there is one command, or you can go in Google guys, and here you can see how, oh, it is searching. Okay, if you type here now, how to create an table in Laravel from migration, from migrate, oh spell is wrong, let it be, create in Laravel. So here we'll check is what we will get. So there is one command guys that I will write, but I want to show you guys how it will be. So we're looking here. Okay, see, it is taking so much time to open. With this we'll try this also. Okay, till opening this I will write the command guys, because it will take time I think, according to me, to open. Okay, this is open. Is there given anything to create a table? Okay, this is model they have created. Then next, I guess there is nothing. What I will do manually. Okay, see guys, here it is that create table, database table name, and you can create like this guys. Okay, so what we will do now, we'll copy this and we'll create a table. Okay, so I will use this only guys. So go in command, sorry, not command prompt here. So php artisan create, what it will come here, here it will come post guys. Okay, so we're creating what, post table. Okay, see guys, migration is happening. Mm. See guys, while doing this, while we run this all commands and all, right, in terminal, that time it will take time guys. Okay, for creation and all. See, it is done, migration is created. So what will happen here in database migration, here a post table is there guys, right? So this has been created by using this command. So here it is datas, we'll add this as post. That is MVC, this is post. Okay, for post is when, then here what will come guys, here what we will do, we'll store only two things guys here. One is um, one is post name, and another is what, body, means title and body, we can say guys, that will store. So I will copy this, I'll paste here first. Okay, then here this will be string, and here there is a title. Okay, then next what will come guys, same, I will copy this. Here what will come, table text, and here it will come body. Semicolons must ensure guys, otherwise it will give error. Why here it is showing here, we don't want id, it should be timestamp, right guys? So it is timestamps guys. Already it is there, fine, no problem. See guys, id we have taken, title we have taken, body we have taken, this is done. Next what we need to do, we need to migrate. Migrate means what will happen guys, migrate means it will create a table in our database. So migration, we do migration. Okay, so see guys, what we have done, we have created table, we have created a body. Okay, means one to two columns we need. Next we do php artisan migrate. Okay, so what it will do, it will create the table, post table in our database. So now we'll move in our database. So where is MVC? Okay, I have to refresh. So in MVC table you can see guys, there is a post table, right, where we have taken title and body. So same, it is taking title and body. See guys, title and body. And in database also, means it is created from this terminal guys, that whatever we have created right in database, it is created from this terminal only. Okay, so this is done guys. Next what we need to do, controller also we have created. Now the thing is, what we need to use in controller and all. Okay, so before that what we will do guys, okay, first we'll start from that only. So we'll move http controller, post controller. Fine guys, so here what we need to do, here first we'll import the model, because model means it is a connection between database and all. Okay, so app this models post. Okay, so this is done. Then next what will come here, here will come guys public function. Public function, it will come here. Then here it is index. First function is our, this is our first function. So this is posts. And what we are doing is, here we are taking all the posts from database, whatever the post starts there, just show that post. It is like that. Okay, it is like that, show, take that post. Then return, we are returning, after that we are returning. So what will come here guys, so here we'll create one blade file, and which should be in posts. So I'll take post dot index size. Okay, this blade file also we will create. Then next here there is compact with post, means what it will do, it will do the connection between post. Okay, it will do the connection guys. So this is the index file we have created. Something is missing, right? I am not getting. Okay, fine. You can see guys, there is nothing. Then also I'm getting error. Okay, okay. See guys, there is something. See how I have missed the semicolon. So this is the thing as well. Typing and all, we should be very careful. Okay. So here it is index file guys, and here it is post. Okay. So what we need to do, we'll create now index file. So for that, go in resource views. It should be in posts, right? So here we'll create one post. In post there is an, oh, what is happening, posts, and in post there is an index dot blade dot php. Okay, this file guys, whatever we're doing here, right, index. So this is my index file, where it is. Okay, this is my index file guys. Okay, so this index is done. Next we'll do the create file. Okay, create means we need to create a new post for that. So right here, public function, then here it will come create. Okay, then next what will happen, guys? Here we are doing return. We are just viewing that file list, so we need to take return view in bracket. It will also in post sketch post dot create. Okay, so here it will be like this. Mm, what is this? Where have I added this? I have to add this, guys, in post control. So I was thinking why the color is like that. See, guys, it is created post. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to create. See, guys, every time I'm missing this. Here I have to create this also, guys, in post create dot blade dot blade dot php. Okay, this also we have to create. These tools are done. Our video has become very long, so we'll consider this as part one. So part one is till this, so please guys watch this full video, and part two also it will come. I don't know, part two, three, maybe it will become. So guys, stay tuned to my channel, and if you